To replace the batteries or the temperature sensor, locate the latch on the side of it, like so, and use it to take off the back panel. You'll see two 02032 batteries. Using the implement, push the latch outwards so that the battery will pop off automatically. Push it outward again. Next, replace it with the newer batteries and push it back in. Next, put the back panel back into place and press the button here once to reconnect the temperature sensor. You will see the LED light flash red and green, like so. That means that the reconnection process has started.